Hey guys, welcome back to the Metro Family, and in today's vlog I will be doing a video about my room / gaming setup tour. So let's get on to it. So as you can see, I have a gaming Building Champions with stickers, and we have an Apple sticker. So let's get on to the bedroom. We have our door, we have light switches to turn on the thin light, and then we have my brother's bed right here with a nice soft bear blanket. We have three pillows, his toy section, dresser, the pillow, got to clean it up, clean it. Then we have dressers, we have that. My brother keeps mice as a pet. Well, I have one. If you guys can see it, he's right there. That's him. Here. Yeah, they have like a green light. There he is. There you are. There he is. So yeah, we have fused a lava light that apparently doesn't turn on. We have my bed, iPad, and mobile right there. And then we go on to my brother's Xbox. So I don't know why the camera's not focusing, but my brother does have an Xbox right there, controller, pillow, pillow dead. Yeah. Then we got a book that's a lot. We actually have a bright light. And then yeah. What am I saying? We live all the way in Ohio. Yeah, he has this thing. We have a little thing right here. Trash can. Save the turtles! And then we have my gaming setup. Sup, Jess? It's hard to do a video under supervision of a sister. So I have my gaming setup. I have a on mouse. Have a Razer Chronic keyboard. Have a I was actually playing Fortnite earlier. I have a, I forget what it's called. I don't know the brand in my mind, but it's doesn't offer. I have a Now Smith bed, MSI headsets. Guys, don't believe me. BAMS is the MSI right there. But yeah, my tablet. Alexa, play Cradles. And then my computer. It's actually like a decent gaming PC. I like it. My chair. It's decent. My robe right by it. And then, I forgot to tell you the most important thing. I have LED strip lights that go from all the way to over there and back. That's like one of my favorite parts. And with my lights turned off, it looks dope. Comment down below if I should buy more LED lights and put them around the door. Like, that'd be dope. If I do that, we might. Comment down below if we should also do a house tour video. If you guys want to make those two come true, please smash like and comment. See ya!